The 1969 Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most recognizable and beloved cars in automotive history. Known for its rounded shape, simplicity, and incredible reliability, the Beetle wasn't just a mode of transportation, it became a cultural icon. By 1969, the car had already proven itself around the world, and that year brought some meaningful updates that made it even more refined while still staying true to its original charm. At a glance, the 1969 Beetle still had its signature look: curved fenders, round headlights, a sloped hood, and that familiar humming engine sound. But there were small design tweaks that improved both form and function. One key update was the move to a more modern padded dashboard for added safety. The windshield was also slightly larger, offering better visibility, and the door handles were redesigned for easier use. Under the rear hood, the Beetle was powered by a rear-mounted, air-cooled flat-4 engine. In 1969, most models came with a 1,500cc engine, producing around 53 horsepower. It wasn't fast by any means, but it was dependable and incredibly simple to maintain. The engine's layout gave the car great traction, especially in bad weather, and its lightweight body made the most of the available power. Driving the 1969 Beetle was a unique experience. The 4-speed manual transmission had a light mechanical feel, and the steering was direct. Suspension updates that year included a new ball-joint front end and an improved rear axle setup, which offered better handling and a more comfortable ride than previous models. The Beetle felt nimble in the city and confident on country roads, making it a favorite for daily drivers and road trippers alike. Inside, the cabin was basic but functional. The dashboard featured simple controls, a large speedometer, and minimal distractions. There was room for 4 passengers, and though compact, the Beetle made clever use of its space. Fold-down rear seats and front trunk storage gave it a surprising amount of practicality for its size. Part of the Beetle's appeal in 1969 was its personality. It wasn't about power or luxury, it was about freedom, fun, and reliability. It was affordable, easy to fix, and had a charm that connected with people from all walks of life. Whether it was a student's first car or a second family vehicle, the Beetle fit into almost any lifestyle. The 1969 Volkswagen Beetle continues to be a favorite among collectors and vintage car lovers. Its timeless design, simple mechanics, and cheerful nature make it a symbol of an era when driving was about more than speed, it was about connection. From its unmistakable engine sound to its unforgettable shape, the '69 Beetle is more than a classic. It's a legend.